The statement of the problem requires that we find the length of the side PQ. PQ is located in this right-angled triangle, and inside of this right-angled triangle we have quite a few known values that will help us to find the value. We may therefore find the value in many different ways, and by the end of the solution of this problem, maybe we'll see up to 3 different ways in which we may find the value of the length of the side PQ. Now we will find PQ based on primarily that this is a right-angled triangle, and in a right-angled triangle we have the hypotenuse, and also for a right-angled triangle we may apply the trigonometrical ratios in their pure form. On this occasion, we are making use of the fact that the side PQ that we intend to find is opposite to the 60 degrees angle. No doubt we have the hypotenuse highlighted right here. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right-angled triangle, and it is located opposite to the right angle. We may use the fact that PQ is opposite to the 60 degrees angle and the hypotenuse is 8 centimeters, and use a trig ratio to find PQ. What trig ratio are we about to use? We are saying that PQ is opposite to the 60 degrees angle, opposite to the 60 degrees angle, and we have the hypotenuse. Which trig ratio contains or makes use of opposite and hypotenuse? Opposite over hypotenuse is equal to sine. The trig ratio involving opposite and hypotenuse is sine. It is not enough to say that sine involves opposite and hypotenuse, but additionally we may also say that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. What do we have as the opposite? Opposite to the angle that we are speaking of is your unknown side PQ. PQ is opposite, and the 8 centimeters is your hypotenuse. PQ, as we have it, the opposite, 8 centimeters is the hypotenuse, and the angle that we are about to use is 60 degrees. In finding the value of PQ, we need to eliminate 8 by which it is being divided, and we will do that by multiplying by 8. So we have PQ divided by 8 on that left hand side. In order to isolate PQ, to have PQ all by itself on that left hand side, we need to multiply by 8. Because we are dividing by 8 here, we will eliminate it, the 8 that we are dividing by multiplying by 8. Also, whatever we do to an equation to change the value of one side in a particular way, we have to do that to change the value of the other side in that same way. Therefore, if we multiply by 8 on that left hand side, we also need to multiply by 8 on the right hand side. Multiply by 8 in eliminating the 8 that we are dividing by on the left hand side. Multiply by 8 in order to balance the equation. Consequently, 8 will be eliminated from that left hand side, and on the right hand side we have sine 60 multiplied by 8, or we may say 8 multiplied by sine 60. Therefore, PQ is equal to 8 multiplied by sine 60. And being the old mathematics veteran, we know sine 60 is equal to 0.866. The sine of 60 degrees is equal to 0.866. Therefore, we will use 0.866 to replace sine 60. Sine 60 will be replaced by 0.866. PQ is therefore equal to 8 multiplied by 0.866, and that is equal to, well, approximately equal to 6.9 centimeters. Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.